Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix network lost error on iPhone in iOS 15.2. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Tip number 1. Turn on automatic phone network. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap mobile data. Tap network selection. Make sure that turn on automatic. Tip number 2. Reset network setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Reset, tap Reset Network Setting. Again, reset network setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Tip number 3. Enable and disable airplane mode. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Enable airplane mode. Then wait for few seconds and disable it. Thanks for watching this video.